Hey, are you jealous your friends are making the AI trainer? You can do it? I got you. Trust me. You're gonna look like this anime you wanna be like. I got you on this. Let's take a look at it. Okay, now, there are two ways you can do this. You could actually use Lensa up here. Look at it. Lensa. Or you go to your app store, download Dawn AI. But I'll advise you, or for those that want more features on it, you could use Lensa. Lensa has more features, but it's kind of paid. It just ranges from $4 to $8. So when you use Dawn AI, I'll show you a way you can actually get it for free in my next video. But watch this. Let me teach you how to use Lensa today. Now you go to Lensa. I'm gonna click Magic Avatars. You click on this. Try now. And after this, you just gotta select 10 to 20 photos, like 10 to 20 selfies. I'm gonna select, all of these. Let's do it this way. And then you had it. After importing photos, you select gender. I'm male, of course. So you see, okay, this is for Nigerians. It actually ranges from 1,600 to 3,200. If you're in the United States, it ranges from $4 to $8. So I guess this actually has more features, and it's the most popular people use. You can just select this and then you purchase, and that's it. You get your final result. So stay tuned. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dawn AI and how you can get it for free. That's it. Thank you.